What's up, y'all? Why Hollywood here. This video's TCCRA practice up in Oklahoma at Redneck Heaven. Heaven? I don't know. Can't remember how you say it. Really cool course. More of an enduro course. Big shout out to Mike for doing a great job on this course. Most of their courses are like wide open and not as technical as this one, but yeah, I was just doing a little sight lap. Went out there. This is in Oklahoma. I'm from Texas, but they have a couple races every year that are in Oklahoma. But yeah, like I said, I'm just running a little sight lap out here. I was kind of just putting through it. I wasn't riding hard. I actually kind of rode like shit today. My knee was bothering me pretty bad, so this whole ride, you'll see me, I'm just sitting down. I really wasn't standing up at all, except for in a few spots. It seemed like every time I stood up, my knee felt like jello. It's my bad knee where I tore my MCL. But, yeah, old man problems, injuries. I've been pushing really hard lately practicing, and I think that's what's got my knee kind of feeling a little rubbish. But I still got out there and got some seat time in today. It was hot out there today too, man. It was like 95 degrees. Bike was running a little funky. Seems like my bike's always running a little funky when it gets real warm out. But it runs perfect at like 50 to 70 degrees, my jetting. But anything over like 85, it starts to get a little funky. But yeah, I really like this course. It was fun. It had some really tight woods, some hill climbs. It was really sandy. It was dusty as hell trying to ride behind people. Definitely would have been nice if it had a little moisture and had some rain out there. But it was still fun. I really wanted to ride another lap after this and run it hard and see what my time would be on it, but my knee was giving me hell, so I went ahead and went home. I don't want to push it hard and not be able to ride, so take it easy on the knee for a little bit. But it was really loose out there. It was sandy, silty. It was had this white rock wash, and this white rock wash in areas was really loose. Everybody was talking about it, how loose it was out there. Trying to find traction was kind of tough. But yeah, I got my buddy Jarrett behind me too, so we're just kind of gandering through the course. Really cool course though. All the tracks in Oklahoma never disappoint, I feel like. You can't really tell. There's some elevation we're going through, but you can't tell on camera. Kind of up, down. Nothing crazy, but a little bit. There was a couple whitewash rock hill climbs in here for the blue lines. The blue lines are usually like the harder lines you can take, and then there's an alternate route. But I hit them all. They weren't real hard, and they were fun. They made the course pretty interesting. I definitely rode like shit today, though. You have good days and bad days. But I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Pretty much a whole lap here, I think I got on Gopro. I just ran it slow. I wasn't riding hard. just kind of just scoping the course out. I definitely want to go back out here though and do some riding, because I've seen some potential out here for go hit some gnar too. As I was riding, I was just looking around, because that's how I'm like, y'all know I love to ride the gnarly shit, and I was just like looking around in ditches and climbs and all kinds of shit, like, oh man, I'd love to go hit that. I wasn't even really focusing on the course too much this day. But yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Comment, like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a bunch of new subscribers lately and a bunch of views, and I appreciate all the new people tuning into the channel. That's awesome. We're gonna keep adding content, and we'll have some races coming up. I'm gonna do the Golden Eagle Tccra Enduro. I think that's the next one I'm gonna do. And then the Bartui Ranch Tccra Enduro, which is gonna be a really good one. That one's in Oklahoma. And the Golden Eagle's in Stillwell, Oklahoma also. And then in December, we're either gonna do the Hard Enduro or the Oil Gusher race for Tccra. So they're both two badass races, so I'm kind of I gotta decide what I'm gonna do. But yeah, thank you y'all. Stay tuned for more content, and hope you enjoy the video. Peace.
Oh, I didn't guess that right. Where do I go? Oh, that way? Big dips. Tight woods, tight woods. Oh shit. I went in first gear.
I'm gonna chime back in right here. So coming around this corner was the blue line, one of the hill climbs. It doesn't look crazy on video. A lot of people were struggling on this hill. It's to the right here. If you just held your momentum, you go right up it. It was pretty easy. I hit it a few times that day. I practice it. Nothing too hard. Old Dad Bod Enduro comes up right here behind me. Oh no!
Oh, Nelly!
Not enough momentum, Jarrett.
More huh? Got stuck in the middle, yeah.
I think it kind of got in his head right there. He had to keep going through it.
Ah, he's taking the go around.
He was having a bad day riding too, he said. You'll hear right here.
Oh, shit!
He threw his bike up the hill.
It's loose.
No, I'm just riding like shit, man.
You're not supposed to park there.
I don't know what my fucking problem is.
You good?
We all have those days. Like I said, I was riding like shit today too, I felt. But yeah, that was one of the hill climbs right there. It was cool. It was fun. It was real loose on that whitewashed rock though. Your tire was all over the place in the back. You just had to keep a steady momentum up it. Right here, I seen two guys like looking at this, and I was like, "Oh, is it hard?" And I just went for it. It wasn't hard at all. Little drop down and then go back up. I hit the damn shifter and went out of gear. whenever I see people stopped, I know there's something ahead that's gonna be challenging, and that's when I'm like, oh hell yeah, blue line.
The wrong fucking gear.
I want
Damn,
NAR.
it's loose out here.
I love hitting NAR.
Bike's running a little wonky.
Yeah, you hear me right there. Bike's running a little funky.
Woo,
Oh, slide. It was loose out there, man. It was so damn loose. Right when I got there, Gary Pinson told me, he said, be careful, it's loose out there. And he wasn't lying. There's a couple little spots I picked up the pace a little bit, but for the most part, like I said, just cruising. So coming up right here was the next hill climb. This one wasn't hard either, but it was cool. Yeah, a little fun one. There was a line to the left too, but every time I was riding the track, I tend to hit the one to the right. I guess because it just kind of went straight through. I didn't even get a chance to hit the left one, to be honest.
Oh shit.
I only ran 2 laps out here. Before I was like, screw it, my knee hurts, I'm going home. I love deep woods though, like this. It's fun. I like riding woods. Really wish I could have raced this race, but I gotta work tomorrow, so that's why I'm not racing. It was good seeing everybody out at the Tccra too. Got to see a bunch of people I haven't seen in a while. A few people, I didn't get to see everybody, but got to see a few, say what's up. Oh, and sorry for the pipe guard rattling. I need to take it off and reposition it and tighten it back up. You can hear it rattling. If you're wondering what that rattling noise is, that's my pipe guard. It's them what do you call them? Clamps. It's like a hose clamp. I keep meaning to fix it, but I'm just like, oh shit, I'm ready to go ride.
Damn it, Sandy. about that turn. Everybody blowing that turn. God dang. Some loose shit. Oh shit, almost lost it. Almost washed out there. Damn. It is loose. No moisture.